A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for iguana. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for question. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Subscribe my channel. Click bell icon and like button. Thank you for watching.